Good morning. Today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday the 23rd of March, and I have not done a video in quite a while. I've been busy, real busy actually lately. I haven't been able to record anything. So let's do some trading today and try to get these on tape. So what I'm looking to do up in here in the bond futures is short. And I should have been shorting a little higher than where it's at right now. So what I'm going to look to do is I'm going to look to step in a little bit. Look at this, right back down. I'm going to get in just a small here. If I can get in at 31, let's see if I can short one at 31. And then if it comes back up and tests 02, I'm going to short a couple more. But I believe we've hit a level where we should see a sell-off and maybe retest yesterday's low. So let's go 61.31. Let's see, 61.31. All right, right where it's at, 61.31. All right, and let's see if we get that. And today's high so far is 02. Sure, two more up there if we can get it. Look at this. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and see what we get. If we don't get anything here in the bonds, then we'll have a couple of S&P trades today for sure, E-minis, okay? I'll be back when things start to heat up a little bit. All right, I did get filled, 61.31, 61.31. Again, looking for it to go a little higher, either 02 to 03, looking to short a little bit more. Looking for the market to come back down and at least try to retest either today's low or the overnight lows. So we'll see what we get here. I just have one, just put my foot in the water real slowly here. So if I'm short at 31, we're looking for a minimum of 26 on this. So let's put that down here, 61.26. And we're looking also at the highs. So if we're not able to get any more off, we'll just place a buy limit at 26, buy limit. There we go. I'll be back shortly. All right, so now, if you see the market drop, look at my profit target was 26, right? Market dropped down to 27, so that means it went 4 ticks in my favor, which means I'm going to bring this to break even, actually. Okay, so it missed my target by 1 tick. What I typically do at that time is I go to break even. And the S&Ps right now in pre-market are moving lower, so I would expect this market to pretty much bounce from here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in a break-even order so I don't risk anything. So now I'm going to go at 61.31 buy stop, 61.31, which is right here. All right, so I'm at break even. So I've got my profit target down here, as you can see. Okay, at 161.26 on a buy limit, and I've got a buy stop at 161.31 in case we jam up a bit higher. Okay. So remember, when I was shorting this at 161.31, if the market at that time had continued to move higher, I would have been shorting it into higher resistance. But since the market did do exactly what I thought it would do, and that is to move lower, right? It hasn't necessarily hit my profit target yet, but close enough to where I scratch the trade if it comes back up to my entry, and then I look to potentially re-enter at a higher price. So that's how I'm working this trade, and I will be back as things get. All right, as you can see, that was a scratch trade actually, and yep, that's scratch. Actually, I don't know what happened, but it took me out at 30. Okay, so it's a scratch. So let me take off the buy limit for the profit target. So pretty much a scratch trade. I'm going to keep this open. If we can come back up, test the high, maybe go a little higher. Let's see if everything is still in alignment to potentially go short on the retest of today's high. So I'm going to pause it again and see if we get another setup here. All right, I am back, and the market shot up. We've taken out the highs, but I am now trying to sell it at 162.02. 162.02 right up in here. We're at 162.01. See if we can come back down and retest at least the last pivot low here. Let's see if we can get it. I'm going to pause this video and see if we can get a trade at 162.02 here. All right, I am still here, and we've been in this for quite a while. Went up against this a little bit, and we're down. We're looking for about 3 more ticks here. Very slow day, not a whole lot of volatility. Some news came out. I thought that would knock the market down a little bit more, but not yet. So I am still here looking at this to move a little bit lower. We'll see what happens. All right. We've come within 1 tick, right? Our profit target is 161.29. We've gone down to 30. So once again, we're going to take this to break even so it becomes free since I sold this at 62.02. Let's look to buy it back at 62.02 on a buy stop. There we go. And it's a free trade. So the reward to risk on this trade is really good, right? Looking to make 5 ticks, risking nothing. So it's a free trade right now. We'll see what happens. All right, I am back, and that free trade was a free trade. It was a break-even trade, as you can see here. So again, sold that at 162.02, went down to 161.20, 30 rather. It gave us 4 ticks, moved it to break-even, which is a good thing. Broke even on that trade. So if we pop back up, try to retest a high, there's potentially another trade. So I'm just going to pause the video and see if we get anything here. Alright, I am done. I have been sitting here waiting for some type of trade in the bonds. Absolutely no trades in the bonds. So pretty much broke even. Market broke up. We were not looking to go short on the retest of the high for the mere fact that it could go much higher, and it has. I just wish I had jumped on board as it broke up through that high. We had some positive closes above that high. But we'll see what happens from here. And you have a great day, and I will be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.